Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove or uninstall a wireless adapter from your Windows 10 computer, laptop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the devices tile. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and locate your network connection, or I would say a wireless adapter. And then you would select remove device. It would remove and uninstall it. You may need to restart your system. And then if you wanted to reconnect it again, you should be able to just by plugging the dongle back into your USB port. Or maybe it's an internal adapter and it should automatically begin updating it or downloading the drivers that are relevant for it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.